Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing special kunu. This special kunu is very sweet very delicious because we are going to add groundnut to it. So like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Subscribe so that you'll not miss any of our videos. Thank you. Yeah, guys, making this special kunu. These are the recipes that I'm using. This is my millet. This is 10 cups of millet here, and this is kidney corn. I've already washed them very clean, so I'll mix it together, then grind it. Then these are my spices that I'm putting. I have here dry potato. This is ginger. Then my groundnut that I'm adding. Then the rice seed. This rice seed will make the kunu to be light, not pap, not thick. So that is the importance of this rice seed. So after grinding, that is how it looks like. You can see. Then this is the spice, the rice, the potato, ginger, and the groundnuts. So after we poured hot water here, we will now pour this into it. Well, water is boiling, so that is how we are going to pour it straight to the. So the kunu is cold now. We want to filter it with a clean sieve before bottling it. The kunu is ready now, so we are going to package it. You see how it is. It's not that thick. It's not thick again because of the seed, rice seed that we added to it. So we are going to package it now. See how it is very creamy, just like milk. So our commercial kunu is ready for marketing. See you in my next video. Thank you.